Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to take this healthy, nutritious asparagus and drown it in salty, buttery fat because it tastes f***ing delicious. First I'm going to cut off the hard stems. Then I'm going to brush some oil on my grill because I learned my lesson from that tofu a couple weeks ago. Now I'm just going to place all the asparagus, whatever, on there. And yeah, just let those cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll get started on the garlic lemon butter. Here I have a few big spoonfuls of vegan butter I'm melting over low heat, to which I'm going to add about 3 cloves of grated garlic and the juice of half a lemon. Now I'm just going to swirl it around like I'm a fancy pants chef on TV, and then suddenly realize that I should probably add more butter. Okay, yeah, that's looking good, so now I'll just kill the heat and let that chill. Now it's time to turn over the asparagus, and I'm actually doing that in real time, that fast. It's looking a little dry, so I'm spraying it with some water, get some steamy action going on. And now I'm just going to let these cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, yeah, they're looking great. So on to the last step. I'm just going to toss them right into the pan with the butter, and then mix them all around until they're thoroughly coated. And then it's time to plate up, bro. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, you know, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?